What's going on, guys and girls? In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use Claude to create engaging SEO tools that will allow you to rank your blog post or your website higher on Google and get more organic traffic. The first thing that we're going to do is I'm going to head over to the website in which I'm writing for, or the website in which I want to create an SEO tool or a calculator for. So this is the website. It is a restoration website here. So I've copied over all of the information from the website. So as much information as you can, copy that over and paste it into Claude. And then I'm going to prompt it. So the prompt in which I'm using is I pasted in the content from the website as much as you can and tell AI I want to create an interactive HTML element like a calculator, cost estimator, best store finder, etc. for this website. I would like you to give me ideas of a custom tool we can build using simple HTML that will work on most WordPress sites. So I'm going to run this onto Claude. I am using the professional plan of Claude. I do pay I do pay per month for it because I think it's well worth it. So as you can see, it is going to give us ideas, but I don't like that it actually went ahead and started creating the calculator. I would like it to give us some ideas first, and then we can take those ideas and start creating it. But for this example, that's fine. I am still running my giveaway, so all you have to do is leave a comment below and you will be entered to get a free lifetime access to my school community, which is a community all around AI and SEO, and you also get access to my free AI Writing Mastery course. So if you want to join the giveaway, just leave a comment below. So this is the damage assessment calculator in which Claude created. So you choose the type of damage, so water, fire, or mold, and the affected square footage. So let's say 2000, and then severity of damage, and then calculate estimate. So I'm not sure if the calculating estimate will work because we really didn't give it much information. So that's why I usually like to add some more information into it. So this doesn't look like it's complete, but this is a good step in the right direction. So now it's giving me some ideas. I told it that I want you to just give me ideas and I will choose which one I actually want to use. So here are some ideas in which we get moisture level risk calculator, fire safety home audit, insurance coverage analyzer tool, restoration timeline estimator based on the type of extent of the damage, and so forth. So these are all pretty okay. I actually really like the damage assessment calculator. So let's go ahead and work with this. So what I'm going to do is I actually like to find information and paste it into the AI to then use that information within our damage calculator. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to search up the average cost of damage for water damage, fire damage, mold damage, and then paste it into the tool and then tell it to rewrite the code so that we have that information. I found a blog post about the cost of water damage in the United States. So I'm going to copy over that information. And again, we're going to paste it in here. And we're going to do the same thing for mold damage and fire damage. So it's really important that you take the time to get good information because the more information that you can put into the AI, the better the output is going to be and the better the tool is actually going to work. So that is going to take a little bit of time, but the AI for the most part will do most of the heavy lifting for you. As you can see here, I'm copying over all of this information. I've told it that we're going to be updating the damage assessment calculator with these costs so we can give an up-to-date and relevant answer. So include these figures and redesign the calculator so it has some more colors. So we want to make the calculator look a little bit better. And we're going to actually add some information into it so that, again, we can get the much more relevant information back from the tool so that it'll be useful for people when they go to our website. Okay, so this is the new calculator. I'm going to copy over the contents, which is essentially the code. And then we're going to add this onto our home page here. So we are using Wix, unfortunately, but this is good because this will show you that you can actually use this on any given sort of builder. It doesn't have to be WordPress. It can be anything in which you can add HTML code. So Wix is kind of funky to use. You can add it anywhere, but you probably want to add a new section and then add it onto that section. So I'll show you guys what that looks like. We've added in a blank section. We're going to add a new element. So head over to plus and then embed code, embed HTML. Then we can paste that in here. I think we can make it a little bit bigger, as big as we like. Yep. And then what we're going to do is we're going to paste in our code, update, and it should work. So as you can see, it is there. So let's remove this and see if we can actually make this a little bit bigger. So the format's a little bit wonky on Wix, but it would be a lot easier on WordPress. But again, as you guys can see, we can definitely use this. So let's say, for example, we have water damage and then we're 3,000 square foot is affected. Severity of damage is medium. Calculate estimates. It will cost you $6,700, which is an estimate, right? And then what you can do is you can add a form at the bottom here, which collects information. Let's say you want to get more information. This is just an estimate. If you want to get an actual estimate based upon your specific scenario, then send us an email or enter your name, your number, and we'll get in contact with you. So this could be a very, very useful lead generation tool, or you can embed this within a blog post. You can write an article about damage assessment within your local area, and then you can have this tool embedded in there. And Google loves to have these really interactive tools. Also, your customers or your website visitors will love these types of tools because it's interactive, right? Instead of me reading an article, I can just simply go ahead and enter my specific information here, and then I can get an estimation based upon that specific information. So this is really, really engaging and useful for you to use. And as you can see, it's very easy for you guys to create that. It didn't take me that long to create this, and the possibilities really are endless. If we scroll back up here, we can see that there's a bunch of different things in which we can create and different calculators that we can create based upon your unique niche in which you're in. So I'm sure that you guys can find a calculator that you can create. You can create a blog post, or you can simply add it onto your homepage or any page on your website. And this, again, as I mentioned, is a great way for you to get traffic. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.